This is literally why we can't have nice things. You have no idea how many times I've tried to make this video and I keep getting angry and stumbling over my words. I'm going to do my best. Anyways, yesterday, Thursday, January 9th, some moron with a drone decided to fly in and around Los Angeles, California, who are experiencing the worst wildfires probably ever. And they ran into a plane, the Super Scoopers. You know, it's a Canadian plane, you know, the ones that fly over lakes and rivers and things, pick up water, and then take it to where they need to, and they drop it on the fire. Very important right now. But yet they damaged it, and now it is out of commission until they can repair it. It's one more resource that they don't have to fight these fires. They cannot afford to lose any more resources. This is exactly why people hate drones right now. It makes me so mad. And let me tell you something. A lot of people in the drone community don't like me because I am that goody two-shoes, like, we shouldn't fly around emergency situations. We shouldn't go above what we... A lot of people roll their eyes, be like, wow, lighten up, Francis. And to an extent, I get it. But this is exactly why I am always so angry when people don't follow the rules. And you get that machismo, especially on online groups. Well, you're not going to tell me how I can fly. I paid money for this. I have the right to fly however I want, wherever I want. First of all, you don't. And second of all, this is why. Because who knows how many millions of dollars of property damage was caused because that plane wasn't able to continue its mission to dump water on the fires and put it out. This happened last year. It wasn't a collision, but while they were dealing with other forest fires in California, they saw a drone. By law, they can't continue flying. If they see a drone, they had to land for the night. And by the time they picked up operations in the morning, the fire had spread like 4 or 5 times as much as it had, instead of if they would have just kept getting to do the mission. So you want less rules. This is the opposite of how you get that. If you play nice with each other and we all get along and we all have our own space and respect what the other one is trying to do, that's how you get what you want. But this is going to come with more rules, more laws, more restrictions, more temporary flight restrictions, and harsher punishments for those who break them. And I hope they find the person who flew that drone. The FAA is saying it could be a $75,000 fine, and I hope they stick them with every last bit of it, because this is ridiculous. The FAA is really about educating people, and they will do their best not to fine you, jail you, whatever. They'll hold your hand if they can see that you don't know any better. And chances are, statistically, this is somebody who just got a drone for Christmas, don't know anything about the laws or legalities around it, and thought, oh, maybe it'll be cool to fly around the fires. Maybe it looks neat from the sky. And they don't know any better. But at a certain point, ignorance of the law does not excuse you from that law. So, sorry, you're going to have to get it. And then later, other people who get drones, they'll hear about that punishment and go, I better learn what I can and can't do with this because I don't want to end up like that guy. At a certain point, something's got to give. We all break a rule here or there, whether we want to or not. It's not nefarious, but whenever you're dealing with emergency situations like this, where people could get killed, property gets burned, who knows what else could have happened. That's the line in the sand. So, if you think it's okay to do something like this, you're in the wrong world. This is wrong. People could have died. People have died. And the help and the resources they need are not getting to them because someone just picks up their brand new toy and sends it in the air without a care in the world. Stop it. If you're new to drones, I'm sorry I'm so angry about this. I have a video I just posted not too long ago with the first 8 things you should do whenever you get a drone before you even get it out of the box. Go watch that. I hope that it doesn't sour you on the hobby. This is a great hobby, but people like this person in California is ruining it for the rest of us. Anyways, that's my soapbox. It just makes me so mad. Please be careful flying your drones out there right now. If you are anywhere in the vicinity of California at all, I know it's a huge state, just be safe. Don't do it. With that, the next video will be more optimistic, I promise. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't yet. I love you guys. Bye.